I am going to be showing you one of the most easiest, quickest, sweetest, and simplest method to get 1,000 subscribers in today's video. And this was the exact strategy I used when I was looking for my first 1,000 subscribers on this same Vibe with Sonia channel. That didn't stop me from going viral. That didn't stop me from making money on YouTube. That didn't stop me from achieving whatsoever I want to achieve. Today, I am on 77,000 subscribers, to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this to let you know that whatsoever means you get your subscribers, it is not an yardstick measure that your channel is not going to grow. The only problem you're having why your channel is not growing as it's supposed to grow is when you hear instructions, you don't pay attention to instructions. So for as much persons that want to get 1,000 subscribers and also want to be successful on YouTube this 2025, you have to watch this video bit by bit from beginning to the end. Now, for disclaimers, let me put it out there. Feel free to carry out your research before diving into this. But you see this particular method, it is sweet and legit. And this method is the method I use personally on this Vibe with Sonia channel. And for those ones that will be like, I am not in a hurry, I want to take it one step at a time, please, you can move to the next part of this video. We have other videos that can help you in this channel. But for those ones that want their channel to be monetized as quick as 1 month, 2 months, this 2025, this particular video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. If it's the first time tuning in, do it to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. So the number one method before we can start is you have to create multiple accounts, okay? I'm not going to be mentioning the exact amount of accounts I want you to create here because of some, YouTube rules and regulation. So yes, I've always advised that you should always learn to create multiple accounts. In fact, you should even have multiple YouTube channels that you are running. But on this particular account, this is just the accounts that you're going to be using to do this same strategies I'm going to show you guys. So probably when we get deep into the video, you will understand how many accounts you can go ahead and create to make it easy and sweet for you as a content creator on YouTube. Now, the second thing you need to do for us to start these deep tutorials is for you to join the Telegram group. So if you don't know, I have a Telegram group. You can either connect the Telegram group from my bio, or you can check the description box, or I'll try my possible best to also pin it in the comment section so that you can also join the Telegram group using the comment section. And now, the fourth thing is, once you get your 1,000 subscribers, please stop doing whatsoever strategies I'm going to be showing you right now so that you can now grow your channel. Anyways, we'll get to talk at the end of this video. So with that being said, let me start up my screen record, and you guys know, as always, I'll be attaching it either here or here. So yes, my screen record is all started. As you guys can see, this is my Telegram group, Vibe with Sonia, with over 1.5k subscribers. I got my first 1,000 subscribers from the Telegram group using these exact strategies and method. You understand? Now, if you check, these are all of our comments. Some of our comments, you can see 3.2k, 3.4k. If it is growing, we are growing massively on this Telegram channel. So, and of which I know that definitely you will grow as well. Now, what are these people doing, or what are you coming to the Telegram group to come and do? You're not going to be doing this with your main YouTube account, which is the one that you want to grow to 1,000 subscribers, right? You're going to be doing this with those other accounts that I said you should create. Now, if I click on this one that have 1,064 comments, you can see it here. Someone wrote here, he said, please DM, I have 3 accounts. You can see it here. This person wrote, I have 3 accounts. And someone said, I can't DM, please DM, I have 3 too. You understand? You can see it here. Now, if you check under here, you can see, let's connect. I have 10 or less than 10. This one says 6 accounts active. Let's connect genuinely. Now, let's assume that you also have 3 accounts that you want to use to connect to your fellow content creators. You understand? Now, since you have these 3 accounts, now let's go to this person that have 3 accounts, or you have 8 accounts, or you have 20, and then you want to connect with someone that have 8 accounts. So let's go ahead and connect with this person that have 8 accounts, which is this Elizabeth. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to click on that comment. Once I click on that comment, the second thing I am going to do is to go ahead and click on reply. Now, when I click on reply, I can either reply her here and said, I also have so accounts. But the most important thing I want you to do, instead of replying and wasting your time, is you click on the person's profile. If you click on the person's profile, her profile is going to pop up like this. Then you click on this message icon you are seeing here. Now, once you click on the message icon, it will automatically take you to Elizabeth's channel on Telegram. Now, once it takes you to Elizabeth channel on Telegram, what are you going to do? You are also going to message Elizabeth here that you have same 3 accounts or 8 accounts or whatsoever accounts that you have that you people should basically connect. Now, once Elizabeth reply you here, okay, I'm not going to type to her so that she will not think that I want to exchange with her, you understand? Now, once Elizabeth reply you, the next thing you are going to do is to share the profile picture of your YouTube channel. Now, you go to YouTube. If you go to YouTube, you go ahead and search for your channel. So let's go ahead and use this Vibe with Sonia channel, right? If you click on Vibe with Sonia channel, what are you going to do? You click on any of your picture there so that I can take you to your profile. Now, I am going to go ahead and screenshot this. Now, once you screenshot this, you go back to the Telegram group. This is what you are going to share to Elizabeth. Now, let's assume you want to share it to Elizabeth. You click on this attach end, and then you click on the channel you want to share to Elizabeth, and then you go ahead and share to Elizabeth, okay? I have to stop this from going. Oh, I think it has delivered. I will delete it, or I will share, explain to her. You send this to Elizabeth. Now, Elizabeth will also send her own to you. So if Elizabeth is sending her own to you, this is what the both of you are going to use to exchange to each other. When I mean exchange to each other, to drop red flower, to show love to each other. You guys know when I said red flower, you guys know what I mean. You understand? To show love to each other. Now, because Elizabeth already have your profile, and because you have her own profile, it is going to be very easy. So all you need to do is to go to your search button on YouTube and do what? And search the name that Elizabeth share with you. So if it's Life of Vibe with Sonia, you search it. Now, why are you searching this? You are searching this so that, number one, you are not only exchanging, but you want your name to also be in the search button of YouTube. You can see that this is giving you like 2 edge at the same time. That is why you can easily search Vibe with Sonia, and Vibe with Sonia will pop out on your YouTube channel. That is why you can easily search. Let me say I'm searching Princess Chiamaka, for example, and Princess Chiamaka will gladly pop out on my channel. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, once you are done searching, you are going to go into that person's page, and then you are going to go over to the person's video, and then you are going to watch that person's video. Please, it is very important that you watch that person's video. At least if it's an 8-minute video, you watch it from beginning to the end, or you watch at least 5 minutes. That was the same instruction I was giving during the time of our own. You understand? You watch at least 5 minutes or 8 minutes. Now, once you are watching, what is the next thing that you are going to do? You are going to go ahead to do what? Subscribe. Turn on notification bell, and then you will go ahead and do what? Drop a comment according to the video, and then you will screenshot back the one you have watched, and then you go back to Elizabeth on Telegram and then send it back to her. That is to say, you've given her one. Now that you've given her one, Elizabeth will also give you one. That means you have shared one love to each other. Now, the next thing you are going to do is not with that same account. You are going to go back and do what? And go back to YouTube. If you go back to YouTube, you click on this place, you are seeing this, your small icon of you. you go ahead to switch accounts. Now, if you click on switch accounts, it is going to show you other accounts that is here. So you go ahead to switch any of the accounts that you want to switch to. Right now, you can see that I've switched to another account. Then you can still do the same thing to Elizabeth. So if it's 3 accounts that you have, or 5 accounts that you have, or 6 accounts that you have, you switch and give Elizabeth that 6. Now, once you are done giving Elizabeth, remember each of the one that you're giving Elizabeth, you are going to ensure that you snap it. You understand? And then go back to this place and share to Elizabeth so that Elizabeth will know that her own is complete. Don't have it in mind that as you're doing with Elizabeth, Elizabeth will also be doing the same for you. Now, once you are done, what is the next thing that you're going to do? You go back to the Telegram group again. If you go back to the Telegram group, you also do what? You also say, oh, I have so account who is ready as well. So anybody that is ready will also tell you that, yes, they are ready, that you should come so that you people will exchange. And you will still go back and exchange and do the same thing. Now, let me pause this video first. Now, once you are done doing the same thing, you are going to do a screenshot and send. In the next 24 hours, you will have to leave it after 24 hours before you go back again and do this. Now, the question is, how many should I do in a particular day so that the accounts will be able to stay? Now, this is a strategy that I use during my own time, according to the person that was heading us there. The first thing they tell us is, in a day, you try your possible best to do, if it's 10 in every hour. So if you're sharing 10 love with me, I will share 10 love with you now. Another hour, I will share 10 love with you. Another hour, I will share 10 love with you. Another hour, I will share 10 love with you. So you can imagine one hour in a day. Before the end of that day, if you do it correctly, and the person that did it for you did it correctly, you will get at least over 100 love. Now, if you're getting 100 love, have it at the back of your mind that YouTube will definitely take down some. So don't think that because YouTube is taking down some, it simply means that the person did not do it well. No, the person can still do it well, 100% well for you, and YouTube will still take down some. And those ones are people the ones YouTube call inactive subscribers. So they will take down some. But the moment you are seeing that, you don't need to be discouraged. That's why you need to be doing, if you're doing every hour and you get over 100, no matter what YouTube is taking down, you will have even 80 or 90, definitely. And now once you have, the next day, you come back to use the same strategy to do it. If you keep doing this thing back to back, trust me, in no time, your 1,000 subscribers is going to be like a bomb. You can scroll back to my old video, how I shared, how I got my, on this same channel, when I celebrated my 500 subscribers, and then I came back celebrated my 1,000 subscribers. You understand? So you will get it very easy, smoothly, without having any issue. Now, the mistake a lot of people are making is, if they are doing this same thing, they go ahead to share link. Please do not share link. The second mistake they are doing is, if they are doing this thing, they ended up not uploading videos. Please do well to upload videos. And every new videos that you upload, recommend that person you are doing it with to watch the new video so that that new video can actually have engagement. Remember, there is nothing you can do without engagement on this YouTube streets. You understand? So as you're uploading your new video, you recommend everybody you are doing this with to ensure that they are doing it with the new video so that the engagement will be coming tighter. You understand? And by so doing, YouTube will also be able to help you recommend your content because there is an engagement there. Now, the next thing I want to tell you, which is very, very, very important, is once you get your 1,000 subscribers, please, you stop doing it. Stop doing it once you get your 1,000 subscribers and focus on creating content to get the real organism that you are looking for. You understand? Now, if you have your first 1,000 subscribers and you continue to do this, you will accumulate subscribers to your channel that will not come back to watch the video. Now, I will also tell you that the disadvantage to this is most people that you're going to be doing this with, just as you want to get 1,000 subscribers, that is how they also want to get 1,000 subscribers. They will not be there to come back or return back to watch your videos every time you upload. Now, if you want these people to now engage in your video, and that was exactly what we did during our time, is after getting the 1,000 subscribers, the both of you always ensure that at the end of finishing with any clients, I call them clients, right? Or at the end of finishing with any person, you people should exchange your real face accounts. Why are you doing this? So that the real face, just like my Vibe with Sonia channel, I can always see those people that I did that thing with during that time. And because we are already like friends and family, I still go back to watch their videos. Even those people that I did with the other time, I still see them coming back to watch my videos. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So, because why? After we exchange our 3 accounts that we have, we go ahead and exchange our main accounts with each other. And because we exchange our main accounts with each other, it will make me see that person's video because the notification is turned on, and the rest of that, I will support that person. That person will also see my videos and then supports me. You understand? But mind you, once you get to 1,000 subscribers, that is what I keep crying for. Stop doing it so that every other subscribers you're going to be getting are going to be active and they are going to come back to watch your videos. So if you're in those ministry of, that's why I made it a disclaimer in the first end of this video, that if you're among those people that you don't want to do any of this that I want to say, it is not by force. You can skip to the other side and feel free, carry out your research, and you can see that if this is not working for a lot of people, 1.5K subscribers wouldn't have been here. So yes, I've seen countless videos on YouTube where they will tell you, grow organically, do this organically. I am not against it. I support organic growth on this YouTube street. But I'm trying to tell you that even doing this cannot stop your channel from growing. It is you, because some persons will also come back and tell me that, Sonia, I want to ensure I get to 5,000, 10,000. So it is, if you are there, you will get it, but it is not necessary. It is because I adhere to the rules and regulation. During the time I was looking for my own, that was why I am able to grow to these points. I remember even after getting it, I post videos, I'm not seeing it, but I keep posting videos consistently. And the honest truth is, in all of these things that you are doing, ensure and make sure that you are very, very consistent in your upload on YouTube. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If you have any question you are unclear about, ask me in the comment section, and definitely I am going to be answering you. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like let's say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. Get subscribers. Thank me later. I love you all. Mwah.